can mainly shred hard metal materials such as colored steel tiles, weld drums, paint buckets, large beam pipes, car shelves, motorcycle engine shelves, and car oil filters. Metal shredders can also tear car tires. Large beam pipe shredding is much is a multifunctional metal shredder and shredder machine. Working principle of the two-shaft shredder. Two-shaft shredder reduces the material size by tearing and speed. This shredder is widely used in waste color steel tiles, waste paint bearings, waste oil bearings, hard shell, oil filter and other large volume waste metal materials. The two-shaft metal shredder is composed of a motor, a hardened gear reducer, a rotating knife shaft, an important movable knife, a fixed knife, a frame, a machine base, a box, and a working platform. A fixed knife is installed on the frame of the two-axis metal shredder, and a detachable embedded movable knife is installed on the rotating knife shaft. The number of the movable knife is determined according to different models and the size of the rotating knife shaft. Use a knife, remove the angle after blunt use, and then sharpen the knife until the four sides are blunt. Because it is a qualified movable knife, rotary cutting, fixed knife and movable knife are made according to SKU1. Hardness reaches HRC 603, so the service life is long. Cutting a build is strong, productivity is high, and the sharpening is only required for normal use of more than 1,000 cuts. Dual-axis metal shredder adopts the PLC programmable control, which has a high degree of automation and is easy to operate. Motor shredders are also known as tire shredders and biaxial shredders. This feature, tearing and squeezing to reduce the size of the material, provide reliable quality shredding equipment for the early stage of waste recycling and volume reduction treatment. Widely used in waste plastics, waste tires, waste rubber, large tires, large nylon materials, plastic head materials, large fish nets, large pipes, fibers, paper and other large volume waste rubber waste. The oil drum shredder will do all kinds of waste metal easy to paint buckets, beverage cans, beer cans, Red Bull cans, treasure porridge cans, metal bottles, easy to paint cans, paint buckets, scrap tin, scrap iron slag, mooncakes boxes. Cans and other easy to paint buckets form clumps of particles, thereby reducing transportation costs and increasing the speed at which scrap iron is cast into the furnace. The material can be fully and effectively finely crushed in the shredder. It has the characteristics of high output, low energy consumption, high efficiency, and uniform fine cut. When using this equipment, the noise is low, no pollution, simple operation and easy maintenance. This machine is used for fragile metal materials such as pig iron powder, broken gold, ferrosilicon powder, broken cover, easy painted paint bucket road board, waste mobile phone battery and so on.